Web development is the process of creating websites people access through the internet. This course introduces the core foundations of how websites work, starting from zero. When you visit a website, your browser sends a request to a server. The server responds by sending website files back to your browser to display. HTML structures a web page. It defines headings, paragraphs, images, links, and buttons. HTML tells the browser what content exists. CSS controls how a website looks. It manages colors, fonts, spacing, layout, and responsiveness across different screen sizes. Websites follow common layout patterns like headers, navigation menus, content sections, and footers. Structure improves usability and clarity. Responsive design allows websites to adjust automatically for phones, tablets, and desktops. This is essential for modern web users. Websites are stored on servers through hosting. A domain name is the address people use to access your website online. Web development is learned by building real pages, making mistakes, and improving through practice. This course gives you a strong foundation in web development and prepares you to continue learning and building.